Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a small but incredibly impactful accessory. The Molain 10Pcs headset microphone covers foam. For anyone utilizing a headset, lapel, or small condenser microphone, these foam covers are presented as an essential upgrade, promising clearer audio and robust protection against common sound disruptions. These are not just simple foam pieces. Their function is critical for audio fidelity. This particular pack provides a generous 10 pieces, offering excellent practical value. This quantity ensures users have ample spares, eliminating immediate concern over loss or wear, and providing a cost-effective solution for long-term use. The core purpose of these Molain foam covers is dual: effective noise reduction and superior wind protection. The specialized foam material acts as a crucial barrier. When a speaker uses a microphone, plosive sounds, the harsh P and B sounds, often create distracting pops in recordings. The foam efficiently diffuses these air blasts, leading to a significantly smoother and more professional vocal delivery. Beyond plosives, it also aids in filtering out subtle breath sounds, which sensitive microphones frequently capture. Furthermore, the wind protection capability is invaluable. Whether a microphone is used outdoors, near air conditioning, fans, or even in a slightly breezy indoor environment, wind noise can severely degrade audio quality, rendering speech unintelligible. These mini covers serve as a vital shield, substantially reducing or even eliminating disruptive wind interference, thereby ensuring the speaker's voice remains clear and prominent. Designed as mini covers, they maintain a discreet profile, adding minimal bulk to the microphone. This ensures a professional and unobtrusive appearance, which is especially important for lapel microphones worn on clothing or headset mics requiring comfort and visual subtlety. Their versatility is a significant advantage. They are crafted to fit a variety of headset microphones, positioning them as a widely compatible solution for numerous standard small microphones. Installation is remarkably straightforward, involving a simple slide over the microphone capsule. Once applied, an immediate improvement in audio clarity is observed. Users will experience a noticeable reduction in background hiss, pops, and wind noise, resulting in a cleaner, more polished sound for diverse applications, from online meetings and gaming to podcast recordings and YouTube content. For content creators, remote professionals, or anyone prioritizing clear communication, these Molain foam covers represent a small, inexpensive investment that yields substantial enhancements in audio quality. They are a highly effective tool for elevating one's sound, transforming potentially noisy or unclear audio into crisp, professional-grade output.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.